storm warning information for the following areas in Maine, Cumberland, York, and the following areas in New Hampshire, Belknap, Merrimack, Southern Carroll, and Stratford. What? Moderate to heavy snow expected. Some freezing rain may mix in at times. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 8 inches and ice accumulations around a light glaze. Where? Portions of southwest Maine. Portions of central and northern New Hampshire. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Friday. Impacts. Periods of moderate and heavy snow will combine with low visibility to create dangerous driving conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to NewEngland511.org. Here is winter storm warning information for the following areas in Maine, interior Cumberland Highlands, southern Franklin and southern Oxford, and in New Hampshire, northern Carroll. What? Heavy snowfall expected. Total snow accumulations between 7 and 10 inches. Where? In Maine, interior Cumberland Highlands, southern Franklin, and southern Oxford counties. In New Hampshire, northern Carroll County. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Friday. Impacts. Periods of moderate and heavy snow will combine with low visibility to create dangerous driving conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to NewEngland511.org. Here are the 3 p.m. reports from around New England in New Hampshire. It was cloudy with temperature.
Okay, that one just came out of nowhere, I guess.